Amrut, what is this link? What is this, Amrut? Amrut, what is use of Anaconda? Anaconda has so many libraries. Yeah, Amrut, tell me. What is this link?
No, it's nothing. It's a jam meeting.
Jump file? What is the jump file?
Nothing.
Okay. Anaconda has so many libraries are presenting. You can easily run the codes and helpful for data analyst is most helpful for Anaconda, and also machine learning concepts are also helpful that time. This is also Python library, same thing. Ideal also. I will use Ideal every time, and also I will show Jupyter how to work and how to today. And I completed my two topics today. I will definitely complete it in Python. Anyone can share your screen. All are done. Ski. Yeah, tell me, guys. You have any troubles?
Sir, you can go further, sir. Sure.
Hmm?
You can go
Yeah.
further.
Okay. Okay. Amrut, is you can share your screen. Okay. Okay. I will show Anaconda also. Um, able to see my screen? All of?
Yeah, Shiva, it is visible.
Yeah. Okay. I will open my Anaconda. You can see this is the Anaconda. It's a directly opening. It's a installing and opening. It's a time taken process. You can see all the all the libraries, all the code editors also present in and Visual Studio. All the I will launch powerful PowerShell prompt in Anaconda and Notebook, and also I can install Visual Studio also in my in my system because it's a launched. So showing okay. So many libraries are presenting in this, you can utilize now, otherwise it's not helpful for this time, but in future definitely helpful. Wait a minute. Hmm, okay. Okay, today's section you can see now. I will, you know, what is the numeric types, you know all the C language. Everyone, anyone don't know C language? Hello guys, speak up.
I don't know that.
Yeah, who is this?
Muhammad Akbar.
I can't getting your voice.
Muhammad Akbar.
Please give light introduction.
What? Speak now. You can just of all click on mic button. You can speak now and also stop now.
Please
Okay.
give light introduction.
Okay. You know, in the what is the string? String means you have given the within the quotations. Do you know quotations means? I will show now. Quotations means you can mention the any matter within the quotation. I will give one test. This is the string, and also you can give now the single quotations also. That is also that is also string. Okay, this is the string. You can put in the any matter in the quotations, and also you can put in the numbers also. 1 2 3 I will give in. This is also string 1 2 3, not a, that is a not a integer, that is a not a number numeric, that is the string. Okay, the system, the Python was converted into any quotations are in the matter that converted into string. Okay, and next coming to numeric. Numeric is three types of there. In the integer, what is the difference between integer and float? Anyone, guys, tell me.
Integer means without decimals.
Without decimals, that is the integer only.
Only numbers 1, 2, 3,
Only up to 0 to enough. Okay,
0 to 9. Yeah.
enough.
Float means
That's the numbers are
floating.
without quotations, and also without decimal points. That's called integer. What is a float?
Float means integer numbers like 0.1, 1.2, yeah,
A number
Integers.
with
0.99.
decimal point.
No,
Integers.
no, float.
Float. What is a float?
Float
A
means
number with a decimal point.
yeah.
Yeah, within the decimals, that's called float. You can, what is the, I give randomly. Okay, this type of numbers are called float. Why you mention what is how to divide into integer and float? In complex, what is a complex?
Complex
Imaginary
means
numbers.
real and imaginary numbers, right?
Real and imaginary numbers. Okay, 3 minus I plus 7. This type of, or otherwise plus 6 plus I. Sorry, 8. This type of numbers are called complex numbers. Okay, and also list. I will tell you most of time I spend with a list and a tuple and a range and next a dictionary and set. For set also same similar. Okay. I will explain after these topics because of a lot of content in the Python. It's you, do you know any one of the data structures? Hello guys. Anyone? Data structures in C++. No.
No.
Okay. But you know how to delete the one particular record, and also particular person ID, how to delete the you have a, you have number of accounts in Facebook. That time you have deleted particular one ID, one account. How do you delete it?
You first in, first out. Is that it?
How to delete it? Mahindra, yeah, speak now.
Yeah. Q first in, first out.
Yeah, first in, first out. Yeah, that operation means you pop operation. Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, in the pop operation, you can see that time you can definitely shock now. Only one function. That is a simple function. It's a 3 words function. You can directly delete now. In the C, you can write the lot of lines of code. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In Booleans means anyone.
True or false?
True,
Or false?
false. Okay. In
Yes.
byte, array, and memory view. It's a binary concept, so you can convert to integer to bytes by what's the inti what's the values, boolean, not a boolean, sorry, what is the expressions. Okay, I will tell you next time. Okay, coming to integer, you know integer means, int means, I already told you, this is the function, int function. Okay, it's a construction of integer number. You can convert to any number, you can given the string format, that string format you can convert it into integer. That time you can use this string format. I will show examples, everything. First of all, I will explain theoretically. Next I will go to practically one by one. Okay, Gayatri, are you there?
No, Shiva, she is not
Okay.
available today.
Okay. Yeah, float, same thing. You have any integer values, that time you have convert to float time, float values, because you have any shopkeeper, you have some paisas in the points, decimal value is also present, because that time you converted into float values. String, why you convert into strings? Some numeric values you can changes to some different times. You can change it to string values. The database can retrieve time, that data will be sometimes a string type, okay, or integer type. You can convert into string. Okay, first of all, see, you can go now. I will show you string, how do you write in the codes. Okay, in the Python ideal, I will show you how to open the Python ideal, and next how to open the one file, Python file, how to create Python file. Once see, you can see now in the file in the right corner left side.
Yes, Shiva, it is visible.
Yeah.
We are seeing.
Okay. You click on. You have see option one. Option is a new file. Otherwise, you can click now Control N. Directly open the one
New
new
file.
file.
Yeah.
Yeah. After you can save now. You can directly click on file. You have option is the save as option. You can save as anywhere in our system. I created in my desktop. Okay, I have desktop. I have number of files are there in Python related. Okay, otherwise you can go now in C library. In C library, you can create one folder for your account. You can directly you can give your name. I will give you test. Any name you can give now, but don't starts with numeric numbers, and also starts with space, because sometimes these files you call to another files, that time you have some error are occurring. Maybe you can entering the first letter is capital, and next you can give now small letters. Otherwise you can give small letters also, and otherwise you can give any numbers. That time you can use underscore one, because of read that file name you can readable easily. Okay, otherwise you can give text one. That time what is this, sometimes we give another names also. Read, wait a minute. Who is, okay, sorry. You can give now proper name. Okay, I will give text underscore one, save as. After I will write the code for print the application. You can see number of options there. First edit option and format option and run option, and options window help. You can any help there. You can go now about ideal, and ideal help Python docs F1. Okay, you can click now F1 also, Python docs open. Okay, demo mode you can open. How to file creating, how to run this application demo will be given. Okay, you can see run option. You can also click on F5 option also, you can run the file. First we can print now. You can see the string printing. Before, we can mathematical operations also do in the Python ideal. This is the Python file. How to create a file, I will show you. Already I completed. Okay, in the Python module you can operate mathematical operations. In mathematical operations, you can do now 1 plus 1. You can click enter, it directly shows the 2. And also you can, and multiplication, sorry, 2 star, 5 star, and it will show 100. Okay, you can operate all the mathematical operations. I will show you. Or modulus, I will tell you modulus difference and division. What is the difference between modulus and a division? Okay, I will show you. First of all, modulus symbol you can see. I will enter 2, that time shows 0, and after I will give you 4/2, that time shows the 2. What is the values? What is the difference? Can you say anyone? What is the difference of modulus and
Whenever you are using modulus, it will give reminder.
yeah, it's a given
Whenever
reminder. It's a taken
uh,
reminder only. In this time,
whenever
coefficient taken.
yeah,
Okay, but this is using 2. Okay, 4/2. Wait, you can see what is the difference in these operations, double slashes and single slash. You can see what is the output is the difference. Anyone say?
in single slash it will shows float value.
Float value, yeah, that's correct.
In double
In
forward
the double
slash it will
slash,
give us integer value.
integer value only. It's a taken.
In
It's a written
integer
the.
format. Integer
Yeah,
format.
it's a written the float format. It's the in this symbol you
Float
can
value
use that time.
and double slash is
Yeah, sometimes
integer value.
you can take the float values. Sometimes I can give the 5 that time. Sorry, 5/2, that time value is 2.5. Okay, okay, you can able to see in down.
Yeah, it is visible. It is C.
Okay. Yeah, but in this time I will give 2 slashes. What happened? You can see what is the value difference.
It's a floor division.
Yeah,
Floating
floor
point is
division.
not.
Yeah, that's correct. And also do this practice now in mathematical operations are most important because of one thing I will tell you. You know anyone Bodmas rule?
Yes.
Yeah, I will apply to this 2 star 1 3 star 5 10 19 and next. Sorry, I can't operate it. I can also multiplication operation and give value is 7. Value is 70. What happened? First of all, do the operation in these brackets. After do the higher preference, this is after this multiplication operations do. Okay, got it?
Okay, got it.
Okay, we are all know in mathematics we very well. I know this is all simple concepts. In I am doing in Python ideally. These applications are all I will do in ideal. You know difference between ideal and Python file?
Don't know.
No, this is the
I
ideal.
see.
This is the ideal. You can see this is the Python 3.9. It shows the first you can open the Python ideal in the you can search now in search option you can search now ideal. Sorry, in the ideal you can pop up the this window. Okay, you can see also 3 arrows. This is the Python ideal. In Python file you can see now you can open the Python file in previously I will create I already created, sorry. in my Samba Suro in test1, I open this file. You can see what is the different. You don't have any margin in this left side. In the in Python, you have one margin. Okay. In the container, you can write the code only. And also every line shows the arrow marks. It's a three arrow marks they are presenting. Okay. Before 9 and 8 versions don't mention this line, only present in the three arrows. That is the difference in the 3.10 and 3.9. And also a lot of functions are added, but mainly physically appear in the difference between these is. Okay guys, are you understand?
Sure, can you say once again how we can create a file in the idle?
Okay, definitely I will. Okay, you can see my Windows button, Windows. You can see idle option, or otherwise you can search now idle. IDLE. Okay, you can see now.
Yes, yes.
You can click now. You can double click now. You can directly open the Python idle. In the my footer, you can see. You can also see my Python application file icon. Okay. After that, you can see this is the first open the ideal file. This is the ideal file. After you can click now Python file. You can see this file. You can click now. You have
Shiva,
created new file. Yeah.
can we write a code in idle?
No. But write. But you can't save it.
What is the use of it?
Yeah, I will tell you. I will show you. Okay. Wait. Who is this? Who?
Yeah, me,
Asking.
Mahindra.
Mahindra. Okay. I will definitely. I will tell you. Okay, first you how to create a file. You can anyone doubt you first of all listen to me. Okay, you can click now file. You can create a new file. Uh, Otherwise you can control plus N directly open to the file new file. Okay, you can see Python new file. This is the file Python file. This is the idle. You can see difference. You have some margin and margin. You have three arrows before 3.9 or 3.8 versions don't mention this line but mentioning the three line in this code this arrows. Okay, this is the difference. And also you can see a lot of options same there in the python file and idle same. Okay, yeah, you can.
Sir, without arrow marks, we can run the code in new file.
Yeah, that is the difference in the python file and the python idle in the difference. Yeah, definitely have a lot of doubts. Maybe will be future definitely decreases. Okay, once I will read the code, I will how to open also file. I will show you. I already show you. I will open the file. I will create in the my local disk in C in Python in Samba Sivarao. This is the folder name. In the folder, I created test1 file. I click on open button, directly open this file. Okay. Today I will explain these things. You can see in the string format you can print now hello world hello. Okay, in the double quotations and the single quotations how to do operations I will show. And I assign to the string variables how to assign one string to variable, and also not a string all the integer and float and complex. Okay, after I will give you list tuple and range.
What are the
How
difference
to
between
yeah, what is the difference between single quotes and double quotes?
double quote and single? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Yeah, first of all, we create a small example. Print. Able to see. I will create a single quotes first of all. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will create now. First of all, you edit the code anytime. If must and should, you can save as. Okay, or save. Otherwise, Control S. You click now, Control S. Directly save now. After that, you can run button. You click now. You have option F5 or run module. You click now on run module. You can do where the output present. This is the what is the file. This is the ideal shell. Okay, in the ideal shell you can see the output. Otherwise, you can't ever see your output. Anywhere you can't see output in the Python.
Okay, get it.
Okay, this is the useful for ideal. In your file, you run the application. The output will be show in the ideal. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Once see after print, I will give in double quotes. Test. Directly click on F5 because it's coming. Any difference?
Nothing is different. Then why
Nothing
do
is
you
different.
use single quote and double quotes?
Yeah, nothing is different. But sometimes we give in the apostrophes some text in the. I will give you some text. I will collect some text in the Google. Where this any one of the apostrophes are there. Yeah, I will give you one. Okay, I will write the boys. Boys, we are using apostrophes. Yeah, you can see
Yeah,
now. I
get it.
will give you in these quotations only print boy, and also some error also occur because S is not defined. Who is
Yeah.
okay? You can see only boy will be print, and otherwise shows the error and also shows the error S because S is not defined. Because that time we are using double quotes. That time print they also single quote. This quote also print now. Once see, I will save as.
Single quote will be in
Yeah,
print
you
string.
can see in the boys
Yeah.
because that time you
Get
are
it.
using double quotes and also triple quotes also using. Where we using triple quotes that time I will show you. Print. I will use triple quotes. Otherwise, you can use also double quotes in 3 times. 2 times space, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. I can write the number of lines code because once see, I will enter this button. You can see the letters will be not in green because that is the not correct sentence formation in this line. It shows the error. You can also run now. It's first of all save now. You can see shows the
That
error.
automatically
Okay,
it's been
in
written at
yeah, detected at second line. Yeah, it's a starts from quotations is started but not ended in the second line. In the quotations only started in line within the end this that particular line and single quotation or double quotation. In particular one line it's supported. Multiple lines can't support it. That time we are using triple quotes. Okay.
okay.
I will give randomly some line code in the number of lines. You can see difference supporting. A number of lines I can write now. Yeah,
Mm. Get it.
and I will save now and run now. It shows the number of lines as it is. See difference. It's a triple quotes a difference and a single quotes and a double quotes a difference. Where we use the double quotes, any apostrophes is coming, that time you can use the double quotes. And single quotes you can easily using some without any quote summations, not summations. Okay, you can understand.
Yeah, I can
Apostrophes
understand.
difference, difference between apostrophes and single quotations and double quotations and the triple quotations. You can also use single quotations also 3 times and end with 3 times
If
and
we
single quotation.
if we use single quotation in one side and double quotation in one side, then what happen?
Yeah, it's a single quotations
No, 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 no,
using.
no,
Mm,
not in third line, third print statement. In
okay.
one side, if
Mm,
we use three single quotation, and
yeah,
in
what?
at the end, if we use
Okay,
double
use a
quotation,
double
three
quotations.
double quotation.
Yeah, you can see now what happened. It shows the error. You can start with this single quotations. How do you end with the double quotations? How to
No, it's
recognize the
showing
code?
green letters.
Yeah,
All
but
those,
it's
so that's
yeah.
why I thinking that
Mm,
maybe it will
okay.
execute.
Yeah, you can. Otherwise, you can give last three quotation. It's a take it. Uh, you can see now. It shows the double quotations. Okay, you can understand.
Yeah.
You can otherwise you can give 4 quotations in the last, and also you can start with the 4 quotations and save now and run now. Wait, determine the line. No, it's not working. Maybe in this, maybe previous it's working. In this, not working. Yeah, maybe some modifications are there. Okay, you can understand. Anyone of volunteer, you can print now these 3 types of quotations are using. Anyone volunteer? I pick randomly. Lavanya, can you share your screen? In mobile also you can share now. You can write the code. Praveen?
How can I run the code in mobile?
Yeah, you have any application in mobile?
No, presently I'm
No? Okay, you
no.
can today you can download decoder or any Python compilers you can download now.
Okay.
Mm. Basara?
Shiva,
Mm.
I
Yes, sir.
have
Yeah.
a doubt.
Yeah, Mahindra. Can you share your
What?
screen?
No, no, no. Why you are
Mm.
using idle? What is the use of the idle? Why you are writing those letters?
Okay, I will go now to Visual Studio after next.
Yeah, yeah.
Python.
Is that useful to us?
Yeah, this is all our editing sources. Python by default, it's
Hmm.
showing idle.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the initial. I will go now. I will and go now.
Okay, but we
I
can't
will
write
tell.
code in idle, right?
Yeah, no, no, no. In idle, you can open the individual files
What?
because that time you can't understand what happened. To. That's the problem. In Visual Studio, visualization is very simple because we are all using Visual Studio, some PyCharms. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can understand very well.
Shiva, hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
Amrit.
yeah, in the strings concept, can we use
Tell me,
the multiple quotation, multiple words that multiple quotation,
multiple watts means.
multiple words means, suppose if I want some hundreds of code, hundreds of lines,
Hmm.
in that I
That
can
time you can use
double
only
quotations.
no triple quotations.
Then
In the
triple quotation
single
only.
quotations, well, I will tell you,
Yeah,
single quotations only apply for only one line, and also double quotations also apply only for one line.
only for one line.
Only for one line. You can see now. Uh, I can write the second line. That time the code will be converted into variable. You can see black letters.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
But
that time.
you are given the double quotes.
Yeah, in the double quotes also readable in the single line.
Yeah, you if you give two times single quotation.
In single quotations, two
Yeah,
times.
open and close with the single quotations two times.
Two times.
Single
Okay.
quotation, single quotation, not double.
Okay, single quotations you can see two times. Okay.
And
I will give. Okay.
enter else.
Yeah, you can see now. It's a double quotations means you are entering this data starts from and ending your data in this position in this region. You can start now and this is the end now, and also you can start now and you can end now. Date fields you can sorry data fields you can take it. Okay, I will tell you. This is also I will tell
Yeah,
you
after boys, can you give enter one?
after.
Boys.
After boys, I can enter. Yeah, in the
Give
double quotations.
yeah, in the
Okay.
double.
Yeah, you can see now. You can practice this type of you practice now. You have a lot of questions are there. That time you can ask me. Okay, you can practice now very well. The type of questions I will encourage definitely. Okay. Anyone doubts? Okay, this type of doubts you can ask me. Okay, anyone of voluntary, you can share your screen. You can start now. That time you have also some encouragement there.
Shall I?
Yeah, Amrit. I will stop now my screen. You can share now.
So, shall I start with the strings?
Yeah, start. Students, in final year students, maybe you can share your screen. You can speak now. It's a wrong or right, or you can speak in Telugu also. I will also speak Telugu. Okay, I will connect with you definitely. Okay.
Just
Yeah, students, final year students are most important for you. Tirupati.
Shiva sir.
Yeah, what happened? You have how many members have laptops or systems? Okay. First of all, you create a one Python file. You can directly click on Control N and directly open. Okay. Okay. First save now. You can choose any path in Python in your system. Don't give .python. It's a
okay.
directly taken the Python file. Okay. Okay. Write the code. Save as. Save as. Yeah, you can see in all the members. You can see that option is there.
Which option is
Yeah, in this Python file, you can select a Python file. You can save now.
Yeah,
By default, select Python file. Okay,
Yeah,
save now. Yes, yes. You click on yes.
yeah, it's saved.
Oh, okay. You can write now.
Yeah, simple hello world.
Yeah, Python, not a Python print. Yeah, open parentheses or open brackets. So it starts with single quotations. Hello world. Anything you can give anything. Your name, anything. Yeah, it's a nice Amrit. You have also a lot of knowledge in Java. In double quotations. In double quotations.
Yeah.
Give double quotations. You are using single quotations, maybe.
Okay.
Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Mm. And also multiple lines.
multiple lines.
Yeah, multiple lines. You have any, you can go now any web browser, you can select the columns, you can copy and paste them. You can search now. Okay. You also paste the code. That's also supported.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you can end with
Yes.
but in this some comment sections are there that time not allowed. Maybe you can see.
Yeah. Should I run the code?
Yeah. You can run now. You can run now.
Yeah,
You
for
can
the
see.
naming.
You can click now F5 also.
Yeah, should I give this one?
Okay.
For the line gap.
Okay. Slash n slash n. Okay. You can give the quotations. Okay. You have knowledge on Python.
Yeah, somewhat.
Okay. Yeah, it's enough. It's by default. It's a print the line by line.
Okay.
You can
The
see
triple quotations is not working. You are
because
getting.
because escape.
Yes,
See,
written.
you double click on. You click on what is your success test code test lines is a thousand of lines. You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
double.
thousands of lines.
No. You run again. Wait a minute. It's a running. You click on the that box. Wait. You double click on that box. One pop-up is there. Click on OK. Click on OK. You can see that output.
It's not working.
Okay.
The system is getting slow. Okay.
Yeah, because I'm showing. That's a lot of lines code reading.
It's reading a lot of things because it's learning about 10,000 lines of data.
Yeah, because it is showing the one Python. It's creating the one. What is the file zip file type that's creating?
Yeah, zip file there.
Mm.
It's stuck my PC. Can you stop the screen?
Oh yeah. I will share my screen. After I will create one variable. I will create a one variable. You can see my screen.
Yes.
Able to see my screen?
Yeah,
All
yeah.
of?
Yeah.
Okay. I will take a one variable. Take a variable data. I will assign to this variable to one data. That is the string data. I will assign to one data, string data. I will give you hello world. Okay, this data I can pass in the this data I can pass into data. Maybe I will take a d variable, and next I can print this data. Just I call to d. Okay, again I can run. You can see the output hello world.
Shiva,
Okay,
uh,
wait.
you can do IDM
I can
type of the object,
type of the
type of the variable. Like the variable is there, right?
yeah. This is
Yeah,
the string. Yeah,
you
this
can
is the
give
string.
ID and the type of key. You can say print d comma type of key.
D comma
In the print line,
print line
d comma
D comma.
type of d.
Okay, you can ask to what is the type, the
Yeah,
data type. You asking data type.
data
Okay,
type.
I will show you. I will also show you definitely one by one. Okay, I will assign the string value into the one variable. After I will assign to the numeric value to one variable. I can take h equal to. I will give randomly one number, and also I can give the one float value. Also, I will take 3.675. don't copy paste. You are all are learning. In the Python, you can enter every word because of these keywords are a very different other language. Okay, I can give H and U once. Okay, I can save as no and run this application. You can see hello world, and this is this integer. This is the float value, but I can assign these values into the one variable. I call to that variable, can print the that values, particular values, but we don't know sometimes in the inbuilt what data in the present we don't know that time how to what value, what is this integer or numeric float, how to get it. You can use simply the one function is there in Python. You can see type. In type, you can call to that function b. You can print now, but you can assign to this value into the one variable. I can give o. I can this value, this type says the one return value is given. That return value I can save into the o. Okay, once print the o. I can save now. Run this application. You can see string function. The first one, hello world is the string because we are using in the string in the I can use in single quotations. Okay, and also once see now I will give you in single quotations. I will give you in numeric that time what it say. I can get j equal to type equal to what is the g. It's a I will call to g. I can save now. I can print this j. You can see now. Also two types is it's a string. It's a hello world also string, and also this is also string. Why? Because it's showing string. Anyone tell me
Yeah, it's inside the colon.
what?
It's inside the colon.
Yeah,
Quotation,
that's
single quotation.
quotations. It's including in the single quotations because it is a string.
String.
It's a directly you can convert it in the any numeric values. It's a string. Otherwise, you can't put in the quotations. That is a converted into integer. You can also I will write that directly. You can see now type in H. Before that, I can write the type function. I can assign to one variable. Again, I can call to that variable. In this time, I directly given the this condition in the print as a same operation, but lines of code is decreasing, and also time complexity also it's reducing. Okay, are you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Are you following only one member? Say all members say anything or yes or no.
Yes,
That
yes, yes. I'm
Yes, yes, sure.
yes.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
are.
yeah, anyone doubts can stop me. Ask to that time. Otherwise, I will go now. After that, after 2 days or 3 days, I will go too fast. Okay. You
Yeah,
ask
okay.
to any questions that time I will go slow. Otherwise, I
Okay.
will go fast.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah. Same, you can see output. It is a integer. Okay, I will give integer only 1254. That is the integer. What is the function? How to get the data is integer or character? What the function? Tell me.
Yeah,
What is
sure,
the
fine.
function name? What is the function name? How do you data is string or integer or float? You how do you get it?
Type function.
Yeah, type function. Yeah, similarly, I can write now. Don't use copy and paste. You can write now code. Okay, what is the value u? You can see.
Yeah.
You can see float in this.
Yeah.
Float and integer and string. Okay. You want any one of you want to this file practicing file.
Yes, sir. We need it.
No, you need why? It is very simple. You can do now. You can share your screen. Who is this? Who is this? Yeah, tell me. Yeah, can you share my share your screen? Do practice now. Yeah,
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 so you
Hussein.
can do ID of X also.
Okay.
You can find the address also.
Okay, multiple quotations and booleans. Booleans is most important because of lot of functions are depending upon functions, not a functions. It's a conditions. The conditions are depending upon boolean functions. You know booleans, true or false. How do you get it? The booleans. It's a conditions. Simply conditions. You can give. I can give print 10 greater than 11. This is the correct or not?
Yeah, false.
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 It is
I will.
false.
Okay, I will
False.
put in the this is once wait. I will create a one text for I will share now.
You can put it comment.
Today date
Second Feb
2nd February.
February 22. Okay.
2022. Eligibility is there.
Yeah, I will give you this PDF, not a text. Mm. Yeah. Once I save now, I can run now. What is the happen? It's a what showing. What's the result?
False.
False.
False. Yeah, this is the Boolean conditions. You can put now. Lot of conditions are there. You know all the conditions in mathematics conditions. I will apply only mathematical conditions. And this is correct or wrong? Wrong. Okay. I will apply 120, 161. What happened? You can see true. And also you can check now equal operator, equal or not. 10 equal to 10. That's a true. I know we know, but programming how to say you can just it's a given right answer or not. You can check now. And Python how to do the code. You can all the conditions you know in this Python print 11 not equal to. You can see this is the exclamatory mark after equal to. This is the meaning means not equal to. Okay. Also true. Not equal to 10.
Yeah, greater than this.
Yeah. Anyone doubts?
No, sir.
No.
Mm, can you show us arithmetic operation
Arithmetic operations. Yeah, I will
through
start now.
variable through variable
Through
variable
Breathe.
okay.
That
Brief
variable
meaning.
variable like
Very
10 is stored in variable a, 20
okay.
is
Okay.
like that.
Yeah, I will. I
Yeah.
will. I will tell you. Okay, I will a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. I will create. I will store in a plus b. I will store in c. I can print now. C value. Okay, you can run now. You can see now. You can see 30 answer, and also you can write the all the arithmetic operations in C. I can directly write the operations in the print application. I can't store any values in the one. I don't take any variables. Otherwise, you want need that time you can take now. A minus B equal to division operation, and also floor division I can apply now, equal to modulus operation also I can apply now.
Multiplication.
Yeah, multiplication. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I will call to all these in the
You can
print
use power
application.
operator also.
What?
Power operator, power.
Yeah, power operators also you can use. Okay.
Multiply.
Okay. Yeah, I can take now go. I can give power operator also in double star. Okay. Lot of arithmetic operations are there. You can practice now. That time you can easily understand everything, and the logic is do easily coding. In Python, only logic. Its syntax is very different. Very easy syntax.
Shiva, I can't understand. You are taking the A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah,
But you can directly reference A.
directly.
You can
What?
directly print A, right?
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, I will. I want to store the variable particular variable. I can particular variable. I want to store. That time I can assign to one variable. Otherwise, you can do now. Okay, you don't need that time you can print now, but otherwise sometimes I can use some functions. That time I can assign to one variable. That time you can utilize the another functions also. Okay, so many times you have using a modulus operation. Okay, that time you can go to every time a modulus b, a modulus b. That is the waste of time. You can assign to one variable. That time you can go to call to that function or that class. You can use directly. Okay, yeah, you want to directly you can write now a plus b operation in this you ask to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do now. But my requirement is I can store the variable in the particular variable. You can do now. But this time only one time you can utilize now. In this time only in this line you can utilize now. But in this adding function a plus b, that time I can enter this file. I can utilize any line. I can utilize. I can call to C directly. This return value will be coming. Okay, you got it. My point.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Save now. Print now. You can see values 30 minus 10, 5, 0, 10, 200, and this is the value, some value. Okay. Okay. I will give you this also. Yeah, anyone, any doubts in arithmetic operations? In Boolean operations, anyone, any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Yeah. I will tell you one thing in list and tuple also I will complete it today. It's a small introduction. List and tuple range I will after I will discuss. List, tuple and a dictionary and a set I will discuss is the most important in this Python. I will tell you today list and tuple. Okay. I will take a one variable. I can pass the some variables in the index in the list. I can pass numeric values and string values, float values, any value we can pass this list. Okay. First value I can pass this one string, and I can pass the one integer, and also I can pass the one float value, and also I can pass the string. Okay, I can print now. Same once see what is the data type, and also you can first of all what values print you can see entire string, entire list also print now. Okay, in the this is the square brackets. It's a call to list. Okay, you can list in the values, you can edit now. Edit means you can change it or add it, you can delete it, but in the tuple you can't edit or delete and update it. Can't do it any action in the tuple. Tuple indicates the open parenthesis. I will show you. First of all, what data type in this is, I will show you. Print, what is this type? I will call to A. Once A output, what is this? You can see this format. This is the list type. Okay, can you understand all?
Yes, Shiva. It is understand. I can understand.
And also, I will show you tuple. Tuple is a open parenthesis, means open brackets. This is called open brackets. In open brackets, I pass the same. I can pass integers, also strings. By default, I can click now T also. Sorry. But this is also string. I can put in the brackets that time, and that is also string. Okay. I will give test. So I am working in test so many because I can write now test. Okay. Once after print now. After you can also print off what is the data type. I call to B. I can run now. First of all, can print the list. After you can print the tuple. This tuple you can't edit. Okay, don't forget. So many interview questions asked to most important. This is the tuple. You can don't comparing with the list. List is different and tuple is different. Okay, in the list format is the most useful in the Python, and tuple also sometimes as a helpful depending upon situation. How do I will explain? In the bank customer, it can shows the customer name and also customer amount. Also you can see now, but can't edit, can't delete. That operations can do only tuple operations. uh, any one of you can add the money, that time you can change the your amount, that time you can add to amount only by the server side, only can do the server side. That to previously managers or cashiers only that operations do, that time we can use the list format. Okay, some other persons are showing shows the your details, and also says the your credit balance or debit balance, also telling to you. You can tell me how much balance are there in my passbook, ask to that person. He says only that amount, how much amount is there in that person's told to. Okay, you can understand what is the difference between list and tuple. I will show you. I will apply to this append function and append function. This is the, you can add the, in the last index you can add the value. Okay, append function. I can you can use hash symbol. That time it is the comment section. Okay, convert to comment section. Okay, you can see I can add this before once. You can see. Anyone, any doubts? A dot.
Yeah.
Okay, in this time definitely is coming. I will give you 78.6. Okay, after I will print now my list. What happened? See. In the first time list has a only test and 1 2 3 4 5.98 and Babu, but after I can add this, I can append this 786. After that you can see what the result. You can add the last element. What is this? 786. Okay, this is a integer. Okay, yeah, how to add it? What the function? Guys, are you understand?
Function.
Append function. Okay, append means
Add the last element.
Adding
adding
elements into the list.
in the list, in the last or first or middle.
Last.
In last. Once do the operation in the tuple, what saying? Once see now. Not before I am tell to you. Tuple is
Immutable.
mutable, and also we can't change and we can't edit these values. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and also one thing you can don't remember it, Python was line by line execution. Once this line execution end, after this line, second line will be coming, and next second line will be completed after came to third line. Okay, otherwise don't go. The programming will stop. Okay, you can any mistake are there, you can stop now. You can see now I will only print in print. Only I can give I can delete t. I can save now, I can print now. It shows the second line is a error. You can see now the second line in the error. Okay,
Yeah.
you can name error. You can see name error. It is a print only print. It is not defined in the divided you mean. It is a print. You can wrote the wrongly. You can recorrect now. It is a print. It's a saying. Okay. Entire programming will be stopped there.
Except the print will be inbuilt function.
Yeah, inbuilt function. But I'm saying any one of the line, it's your write the code is wrong. That time entire code will be not executed. After lines not executed. Sorry, not entire. After lines not executed.
Yeah, which error came to can you just show me one second?
Okay, I can write only in print. I can cancel in T. Yeah. Okay.
No,
I will.
I just want the
Okay.
error. Which error?
Oh yeah. I will show you. I can save now. I can run now. You can see.
Name error.
Yeah, name error. In the name error, you can see print in the second line. It's showing second line error. and what is the error? You can wrote the print. Actually, it is a do you mean print? It's a saying. You are right. Maybe you can write now print. That is the function in the Python. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And also one error also repeating because of append function not applicable to the tuple. Okay. You can. I will again run now. You can see in the b dot append, it is a attribute error. Attributes means, do you know attributes in HTML?
Yeah.
Okay. And that attribute not objected is has no attribute in the append function in the tuple. Okay. In line 10,
What is attribute?
you can apply the what is this styles. You do you know styles in HTML?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, a lot of attributes are there. Same similarly in the Python also attributes. Is some means you have append. Append means
Yeah.
Add.
Adding a last element.
add. Yeah, that type of functions are called attributes. Append, pop, and insert, delete. That functions called attributes in this Python. Okay. Maybe it's enough today. Also, time is 8 o'clock.
9.
9. Yeah, sorry guys.
9
Maybe
o'clock.
maybe once I started.
Not only that, we can use many more than the list.
Yeah, who is this message? Who is this 901? 909? It's a last 909.
Sorry?
Who is this 909? Maybe message it and after delete it. And also one person tomorrow message me. Who is this? Ramu. Okay, today exercise same repeat it. I will share this in the text format in the WhatsApp. Okay, and also this file also I will upload now today.
You just share the notes in the
Yeah. Once check now, I will upload now in this time. Okay, I can stop my screen.
some Tirupati has it out.
Teluguga?
Tirupati is adding
Shiv, okay, Shivagaru, I got attributes error in int. Okay, you can share your screen. I will. Tirupati, you can share your screen.
Shivagaru, I did
Uh,
not have a laptop.
oh, okay. It's not a problem. You
I,
can
I can
share
share
your.
with my phone back
Oh,
camera.
yeah, yeah. You can share
Okay,
now.
sir. Okay, sir. Can you wait?
Yeah. Wait a minute. I will share the doc.
I
Yeah, you can share now. You are showing your.
error.
reverse one,
I'm not getting.
the vertical.
How to. I'm not getting you are just of all are you can see now your window. You can't see how do I. Mm.
Uh,
Yeah, you can see this is the option. You can press this icon. You can share your option, your screen. Okay, Tirupati.
Shivagaru, I am listening the class in my mobile. I will do it practicing in on lap.
Okay, 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 okay. Send the screenshot to my mobile or
Oh,
pics.
okay, okay.
Mm. Yeah, anyone, any doubts? Are you receive Python today file, practicing file?
Just a second.
I will share document also.
Yes, Shiva, we are received.
Okay.
Yeah.
Integer append function. Okay. Show your send your code also. What is the line? Line 35. What is the line 35? Once tell me now. I can't see your photo is very blur. Okay, line 35. Line 35. Yeah, you can't take in any list. How do you can append?
But then the show in the image.
Yeah, you can see a equal to 10.
Okay.
You can take list format. This is the list. You can give in the only 10 value, a equal 10. How do you can append? That's not a list. That is the integer. You can't apply the integer to append function. That is the say.
Okay.
That is the error. You can give list format. This is the list. Okay, that
Okay.
time you get the output. Okay, I will send my number also. You can share to your documents through my through WhatsApp. In the message box, I will send my number. This is also my WhatsApp number. Okay, any questions or doubts on Python, ask to after 7:30 to 10 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
And then
Today also we practice now. You can practice all the mathematical operations and boolean operations, and also append function you can use to list. Okay, and also once you can do now in go to practice now in W3 schools. You can watch now all the also videos are also present now in W3 schools only website. I don't know. Website is
YouTube
there.
Only
channel.
website, sir. Only website.
Okay, only website.
So
Okay.
YouTube channel or website?
In YouTube, a lot of videos are there related to Python.
But that they will tell only for basics.
Yeah, this is the not a basics. You can practice now. I will definitely all things I will teach you. Basically, is the most important for list, tuple, and dictionary and set. You know a lot of members. You know JSON. That is called dictionary.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know already. A lot of data came from JSON. That the JSON, how to retrieve the data, how to convert the
JDBC.
integer. Hmm?
JDBC or servlets.
No. JSON format.
Full name? Java?
No, not a Java. It's a
It's a
data
JSON file. JSON file only.
JSON file. Yeah,
File, yeah.
not a file or
Okay,
data.
fine. The
Yeah,
file
call to
name.
data. Anyone? Any questions? Pujita? Only 12 members are there. No, not valid. Lavanya, what happened? Lavanya,
Number is not valid.
not valid. Why? 694958. It's in my number, yeah. 9133694958. Once I will message in the
Yeah, number
already.
is not valid.
Oh, why?
Number is not received.
Once in the Hyse group, I will chat now. Once you can save now my number.
Yeah.
I can. Oh, sorry. Hi.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. My message.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that is my number. Okay. Any doubts? After 10 minutes, I will close now. Any doubts related to Python? Not related to Python. Any questions? Lahari, Suresh, Ramu. Ramu, you already messaged to me that time I'm not available.
It's clear, sir, today.
Today, clear? Yeah,
Yes,
maybe
sir.
tomorrow has you have a lot of doubts maybe because I will go now in depth in the pop operations. Also same in the append you can see maybe you are all are computer background.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know C language.
Yes, Shiva.
Yes, okay.
Yeah,
That time you have any one value added to data structure. So how much code you can, how many lines you can write now?
so much lines of code.
Yeah, in this time you can add the one value that what is the function? You can
I
add the
don't have any idea about that.
yeah. What is you saying? What you say?
I don't have any idea.
No. I already told you today that is the last topic. Append. You can add any.
Append function.
Yeah, that is the
Append
append
function, no.
function. In the list you
No.
can append this.
In C
Yeah.
function also append function will use.
Yeah, but you can write the lot of lines of code,
Bunch
and
of
also
lines.
yeah, and also some syntax has some syntax you can follow. It's a flower brackets and a semicolons, lot of there. In
Okay,
this,
anyone, if some colons we are missing in C,
you missing
it
that
is
time
very
shows the error.
errors.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Shiva, I have a doubt for the tuple we can't change the data, right? Keep data, right?
Yeah, that is immutable.
Yeah, tuple you can match it.
Mm,
But real time project in the real time session, list is mostly used.
yeah.
Yeah, but if I write a suppose can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share now. In a lot of data you can use a dictionary format or set format or list format. Sometimes you can give the data but that person you can't delete it and you can't change that data. That time you can share the data within the tuple.
Okay.
That time you can use the tuple. In your lappy server you can change now, or
Right
you
now?
change it to your lappy server number or your IP address you can change now.
No, no.
No, you can't change now, but you can see now.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, that's the format is a tuple format.
Okay. But IP address can't be changed.
But
Yeah, once it will be lit and it's directly gone to the it's same like tuple.
wait a minute. Wait a minute. Who is the message? This is Nagendra. Okay, Amrut. Okay, Amrut. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, tell me, Amrit.
Suppose if I give one data, couple can represent like this, right?
In tuple, you can give in the.
Yeah. Suppose if I gave him like this data,
Mm,
some data.
okay. You have given one variable.
Yeah. Only
Okay.
one variable.
You call to data. Okay.
And I call the data. Oh, I think it's string, not a tuple. It's a string. Okay, I'll type this one.
Okay.
Integers I'll type. Okay, this is a tuple, right?
Yeah, this is the tuple. Yeah, you can
This
give
is a
it.
tuple.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a
You
tuple.
directly given the. Yeah. Okay. 0.
This is a
Yeah,
tuple
it's.
type.
Yeah, tuple.
Yeah. But how can I convert this into list again?
Yeah, you can give now
Yeah.
data. Data.
Well,
You can.
once you,
You can.
once if you write this data, right? This
Yeah,
type.
I will tell you. I will tell you. You can write now in second line. You can write now.
Okay.
You can enter now. Okay. Take one variable.
Okay.
You can assign. Use assign operator, and you can write list. List.
This. Okay.
No, not a capital
It's
letter. It's a
capital.
small
Okay,
letters.
small.
Open parenthesis. You can
This.
give data.
Okay.
Close now. Print v. You can enter now. Print v. And also you can enter. You can write now type of v.
Print
What
to become a
type
type
of
C.
yeah, what type of data is coming? You can see now also. You can run now. You can
Yeah.
see. You can change now. Ask this type of questions.
But
I will also interest. Okay.
yeah, but I want to typecast.
Typecast.
Typecast. Yeah, typecast the data.
Type type means you have converted into the list. This
Typecasting.
tuple
Typecasting.
typecasting.
Typecasting. Using typecasting function.
Changing one data type to other
Oh,
data
okay,
type.
okay, 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 okay. You are asking typecasting means you can first of all retrieve the data from the individual for using for loop. I will tell you after that how do you retrieve. Once you take a one variable to assign the one string or variable, take a one variable.
Okay.
Data one equal to any one of same thing. You can use this type of functions. You can use any variable, string
Variable
or
or strings.
no. You can use strings or integers or floats. No, don't use tuple.
There's a list.
No, not use a list. You can use only string. Only given one string. You can assign. You can given single quotes. Yeah, single quotes. Okay, Amrut. Yeah, close now. Okay, and next enter. You can take another variable,
Yeah.
and you can uh, take a integer. Take a integer.
Integer.
No, you
Okay.
you convert to
200.
integer. Okay, okay. After take another variable,
Yeah.
you want to convert to integer to character. Okay, string. Not a character in the Python. You call to string. Okay,
Integer to character.
integer to string.
Integer to string. Yeah.
In the Python, you call to string. Okay.
So
You can
string
use
to integer, integer to string.
I want to change integer to string. Okay,
Okay.
this 200 I will convert it into string.
Yeah.
Okay, you can use str of data to
Data to
given data to close now. Okay, you can enter
print
now
C.
print c, and also you can write now type of data to comma data type
Type
of
C, right?
no yeah, c.
Yeah,
Okay.
type C.
Yeah, okay, can run now.
Yeah, I'll put this.
You
Yeah,
can see.
200 comes in string.
Okay, and also you can convert to the string how much value you getting in the integer once you convert the string to integer. Amrut, your name is Amrut, that is the string. You can convert it into integer.
Yeah, how?
What happened you can see. Wanna take a one variable, you can assign to integer, conversion of integer. No, you can first give an int of data 1, int of data 1. Close now. Okay, you can print of q comma type, also data type also you can check now. Q can run now. What
String to
happened?
integer is not a. It's not value. It's just value error.
It's a value what
String to,
happened you can see.
yeah, we can convert string integer to string, but not to string to
Mm.
integer because the
Okay,
strings are not.
I will tell you one thing you can do now in for loop, that is for loop.
Yeah, for loop we can do.
That time you can append the you can get the value, otherwise you can't getting the values. Okay, you know or after q you can enter now. In
Yeah,
your enter data one, after you can enter now.
in Q, right?
No, you can write now for loop
Yeah,
for I in q.
Q, not data one, right?
Not a q, data one, sorry,
Yeah,
data
data
one.
one.
Columns, okay. For next you can convert into int into data.
Yeah, directly we
print
can
of
do that.
print of print
It's
of
I take another variable, right? P.
no, not needed. You can write now print of, you can directly write now.
But this error, is this error, right?
The yes. Mm, print no, you can directly
Okay,
write print of I, not I, sorry, int of I.
okay.
Yeah, you can run now.
Value error.
Oh, integer with a base value 10 equal to, oh, okay,
Invalid for illegal in function. We can,
iterative for int. Okay,
yeah, we
you
can't
can't
use
change
that.
it. Okay,
That's
first of all print now, print int.
print.
Yeah, print only print I. What happened? Let's see. Yeah, print now.
It's
Okay,
getting like
it's
this.
getting okay. But in Python also get these small letters. You can maybe you can dot uppercase. You can use first of all I dot uppercase, I dot upp. Not a case upper. Just to only use upper and
Oh,
use
okay. It's not
brackets.
uppercase, right?
Okay.
We not
Save as.
upper, right?
Yeah, save as.
All the letters
I
will be
can
in the
run now.
capital letters.
In the upper letters. Yeah,
Upper level.
okay. Once this time you can again you can yeah, you can assign you can convert to integer.
But
You can before
no,
print
but it's
off.
not. Yeah,
No, comma. No, no, no. I will follow my instruction.
yeah.
Print off. You can click now in this line. No, in this line.
Same line.
Yeah, in this line, print off
Dot.
int of I dot uppercase upper only upper. No case. Okay, you can run now.
Same.
Wait. It is so. Yeah, wait a minute. It's a X. You can click now X. You can delete now uppercase. Okay. Yeah. Can delete dot and also I. You can enter I again.
Enter I.
Mm. Yeah. You can click shift.
Shift. Okay.
Okay. It's a comma. You can enter comma. Base of no comma. Base of 10. Mm, maybe once run. Maybe it's not a correct.
That's why we can use it close. We're getting name error again.
Name error same.
Yeah, name error. Name based on name base is not defined. Base is not defined.
Yeah, that is I am saying in the before, that is the mentioning. The base is how to mention it. So once you can again give, maybe you can delete now all this, delete. I dot upper of wait. Int x integer int of x comma base equal to 10. You can see in the second option,
Yeah, x comma base equal to 10. Right?
base equal to 10. You can enter
Integer.
now. You can no. That's not correct. You can
X is not
delete
defined
now,
because x is
delete
not
now.
defined.
Yeah, wait. Comma after a function, you can exit now that function upper exit now.
It's good.
Not a exit now
Okay,
that
it's good.
function.
Yeah.
Mm. Comma base equal to 10. Okay, you can run now. You can close now. One branch is missing.
Finding error. Same error like this.
Same error.
I think we can't run sure. I think the string set.
No. It's getting. Maybe
Okay.
I will tell you. Yeah, before I will tell you one thing. It's a hexadecimal to binary to hexadecimal. I will miss that. Okay.
Can you typecast to this one? String to integer.
No. Base. You can write the correct word. Base is, this is correct. This is the
So
correct.
shall I give x?
Yeah, this is the correct syntax. Why you getting the error? No, that's the correct. Upper means you convert the upper. That's the not mistake. Okay. But we use this string to integer only for integer conversion only. Okay, mainly we using some data will be storing in the string format, not a string format. That time we are using convert to integer. Okay, we have some data in the JSON format. It's a string format.
String format. No, I didn't work on it.
No, in the JSON format you have the data in the string format, in the integer
Okay.
data also.
Yeah, in the JSON format.
That time you can convert it into integer. That's the base value. 10 is the numeric values, all the numeric values base 10 in the mathematics.
Yeah.
In the Python also follows the mathematics. But do a equal to 26 or 24 value, that value definitely come in the Python. I will also do now once. I will a equal to a small a. I already print int of a. For int base 10 with base 10. Okay. Okay, I will tell you tomorrow once I will see any updates are presenting in Python. I will show now. Okay, Amrit.
Yeah.
Maybe a equal to 64. We know all the characteristics values.
Equal to 64.
Yeah. You know,
I think this one.
each value has a different values in the programming.
But, you're talking about ASCII values, right?
Yeah, ASCII values.
Like capital A value is 65 and small a
Yeah,
value is
yeah,
90.
yeah. Because that value I getting.
So
That
can I
is
take
the ASCII value,
90?
but in the Python has a base value is 10 because now can't getting this error is coming. Okay.
Yeah, but once it string to
No, you can split now already in the for loop. You can split now. You can use print off. You can delete now. This is int. You can delete now. Uh, I comma end equal to single quotations. You can close now parenthesis. End equal to single quotations. Yeah, and also equal operator assigning operator. Mm. Okay, you can save now. Don't use any space. You can use any space.
space, yeah, we can use.
Okay, yeah, nothing. We have
Because,
see some spaces in the your name,
yeah, but
and
space
also
is okay.
you can mention in the star in the end equal to you can mention in the star or any symbol, any number, any character you can mention it. Are you mention? No, you can't mention. You can
Uh,
mention
for
any.
space, I think so.
You can
I'm
you
not
can
getting that point. I'm not getting that point.
you can enter star. You can enter star.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can see save as. What's the value?
A
You can
star,
see.
A star,
Okay.
M star, yeah.
Hmm. It's a very
But
simple.
I want to close the spaces.
Okay. That time you can delete now in the star in the quotations, and also don't enter space also. Just you give quotations. Yeah. Can give single quotations or double quotations and run now. You can click now F5. Okay. Amrit, good. Yeah. Bye.
Yeah,
It's a very delay today also.
yeah, sure.
Okay. Good night,
Yeah, sure.
everyone. Good night.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good night, Shiva.